Can't do it. Can't do it. I can't do it anymore, guys. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to announce the commencement of a series. The reason I think I need to start this particular series is because there exists out there an enemy whose noxious poison fumes have perfused through all the atmosphere of intellectual human thought. This enemy is actually a religious faith. It is a devotional faith by the manipulators, I should say the dark manipulators of society, the world engineers, the social engineers, the ones that want to steer humanity along certain very specific guided channels using all sorts of multifaceted mental manipulative techniques so that eventually any and all roads lead to their inevitable result that was orchestrated from the very beginning. The religion that this series of videos, I have no idea how long this series is going to be, how many videos I'll contribute to this playlist, but whatever it is, this series is going to be about exposing the lies of this religious faith. We're told the adversary is the author of confusion, and that is what this faith does to minds. It confuses them. What is this religious faith that I'm talking about? The religious faith that I'm talking about is the faith of